Come on, mice, come! Gorge yourself on this piece of rotten paneer! Oh, this grubby mouse of the gutter seems to be quite a hog. He gobbled up the whole piece. Now he's going to be my mousy monster, Gutter Gobbler.
Gob, gob, gobble! Paneer!
Oh, I see. You are hungry, my Gutter Gobbler. Paneer can come later. First, you have to gobble Little Singham and all of Mirchi Nagar. This time, that lion will lose, and that too to a rat. Woo!
Little Singham, I am going to gobble you up.
Just because you're a rat, must you bore through my wall?
My beloved people of Mirchi Nagar, I welcome you one and all to the paneer factory of Mirchi Nagar. Why isn't Little Singham here as yet? If something goes wrong, what face will I have to show?
Hey, paneer is my just favoriteest food forever. I like khakra with paneer, dhokla with paneer, and jalebi with paneer, and even laddu with paneer is what I'm happy to stuff my face with. That Ajay's stomach had to go funny today of all days. Poor Ajay's case is pretty sad today, cause his tummy is runny and bad today.
So funny!
Huh?
Hey, Laddu! Get behind me! First in line always going to be Montu.
Hey, Montu! You can jump the queue as much as you like. But if Little Singham gives you a nice dhapak, don't say I didn't warn you, okay?
पुलिस की वर्दी शेर का नाम है इसका Little Singham.
Wow, Little Singham is absolutely amazing. He stomps like a heavyweight and the paneer in Laddu's plate.
Listen, friends, when you jump the queue, you'll find that you'll always be left behind.
Wow, Little Singham! You are my superhero, big bro!
Wow. Thank goodness you made it, Little Singham. Now we can have a sigh of relief.
Gob, gob, gobble. Paneer, I will gobble. Gutter Gobbler, start gobbling. Ha.
I cannot handle uninvited guests at all.
Little Singham, I am Gutter Gobbler, and I'm going to drag you into the gutter with me. Yeah.
Hey, you may think you have a way with words, but I have a way with punches, you'll see. Hey, Mousy, wanna taste my punch? Huh?
take that and that. Karate cops, karate chop. Hey, where did he go? Hey, come on out. Know what I'm saying?
Now that rat is gonna get a taste of me. Huh? Which way did he go? Before that gutter rat causes any more trouble, I'll have to lock him up and throw away the key.
What? You managed to get away from Little Singham? Oh, now go and gobble up Mirchi Nagar. This paneer is laced with Khatarnak Khatri's magic potion. When you eat it, you will get superhuman strength.
Gobble, gobble!
Hey, Baloo, check this out! A way for us to escape from here!
Oh, Baloo!
Oh no!
Gob, gobble, gobble!
No face, Little Singham. I have no face to show. A gutter gobbler has created chaos and mayhem all over the city.
The situation is getting out of hand now. I think finally it is time for some of Newton's chutney.
Newton's chutney! To trap those rats, you need to spread some of this stuff.
Is this some kind of a stinky paneer?
Stinky paneer with a sting. So funny. That is my Papa's age-old recipe.
So as soon as this gutter gobbler sniffs this stinky paneer, he's gonna come to us right away. Now I get it, Professor.
The whole city is getting destroyed and Little Singham can't do anything about it. But why did you have to destroy my lab? Yeah, where did he go?
Gob, gobble, gobble! Cheese!
Come, gutter gobbler. Let's transfer you from a small jail to a bigger one.
You little mouse! That cage has been specially built by sir. You can huff and puff all you like, it won't break. You can sweat and you can shake. Know what I'm saying, huh?
Little Singham, this time you're not dealing with just any ordinary rat. Squeak-ook, squeak-ook. Gob, gobble, gobbler. Come on, mice militia. Squeak-ook, squeak-ook. Come on and help your friend out here.
पुलिस की वर्दी शेर खत्म नाम है इसका दिल सिंघम तू चढ़ा दे करे दुश्मन नाम है इसका दिल सिंघम
Now you can rot in jail forever, Little Singham.
Ata, Majhi, Satakli.
आटा माझी पुलिस की शेर कदम लिटिल है पर नहीं किसी से कम फटाक सटाक मारे पंजा अटैक कर देगा ये सारा क्राइम खत्म.
Another mutant of mine down the drain! All because of Little Singham!
Ninja attack!
Wow. Little Singham, tell me please, he won't be able to get out of there, I hope.
Mr. Minister, rats were meant for the gutter and to eat food that's stale. But this rat will never get out of Little Singham's jail.
Wow, your punchlines are deadlier than your punches.